Welcome to this video from NANGA Systems. This video provides a short overview of the capabilities of the integration offered by NANGA Systems between Atlassian Jira and PTC Windchill Requirements Validation and Source. The NANGA Jira Integrity Integration automates the exchange of content between Atlassian Jira and PTC Windchill RVNS, connecting artifacts and processes in Windchill RVNS with related processes in Jira. Items and issues are linked between the two systems and key information synchronized automatically, ensuring traceability and consistency of information in either environment. The integration is easily configured to link any item and issue type, with project-specific mappings for types, fields, users, and workflow states. The NANGA Jira Integrity Integration requires Atlassian Jira 750 or later and PTC Windchill RVNS Server 11 or later, and has four components. A plugin for Jira, where project-based configurations define how Jira issues will be synchronized with Windchill RVNS items, which fields should be updated as changes are made in Jira, and the mappings to be applied for workflow states and users. An agent which works as an intermediary between the Jira plugin and the Windchill RVNS Event Manager. The Event Manager which manages create and update requests between the two systems, and the Windchill RVNS triggers, which using the supplied trigger script define how and when Windchill RVNS items will be synchronized with Jira issues. The integration can be configured in support of a wide variety of use cases to connect different artifacts and processes between Jira and Windchill RVNS. Items in Windchill RVNS can be created from and synchronized with issues in Jira, and vice versa. By way of a simple example, we'll look at how tasks for development work can be automatically created in Jira based on actions raised in Windchill RVNS. As tasks are worked on in Jira and their workflows progressed, their status is automatically reflected in the workflow of the associated action in Windchill RVNS. As the workflows differ between the action and the task, a mapping has been configured for corresponding states. Any changes to the summary, description or priority fields are synchronized automatically between the two systems, ensuring the communication and consistency of key information. We'll start by creating the new action item here in Windchill RVNS. In our configuration of the integration, the summary, priority and description fields will all be synchronized with the task issue created in Jira, along with the workflow state using the specified state mapping. Once the action is created, custom fields Jira Link and Jira ID are populated automatically with the details of the corresponding Jira task. In this example, the Jira task is created as soon as an action is created in Windchill RVNS. At what point in the Windchill RVNS workflow an issue is created in Jira, which fields are synchronized, and when is determined by how you configure the Windchill RVNS triggers. We can use this link now to navigate easily to the task in Jira. And we can see here that the summary, priority and description information has been synchronized to the task. The workflow state has been set to selected for development, which corresponds to the action workflow state of new in our state mapping. As a Jira user working on this task, having reviewed the details, we need to request some additional information. And we'll move the workflow to in progress to indicate that the task is now being worked on. The Jira issue contains the ID and a link back to the corresponding action in Windchill RVNS. Using the link, we can navigate easily to the action. And here we can see that the state has been updated automatically to in work, and the request for additional information can be seen in the description field. We'll provide the information requested, and raise the priority on the action to reflect the urgency of this work. Finally, coming back to our task in Jira, we can see the additional information synchronized to the description field, and the new priority set for the task. What we've seen demonstrated here is a simple example of data exchange between Windchill RVNS and Jira. A wide variety of use cases are supported by the integration. Items in Windchill RVNS can also be created automatically and synchronized with issues created initially in Jira. And multiple mappings can be configured, allowing different projects and different item and issue types to be synchronized. Thank you for watching this video from NANGA Systems. For further information on the NANGA Jira Integrity Integration, please contact your nearest NANGA Systems office or email info@nangasystems.com.